Now it's Manly's Donuts.
Oh, is that right?
That is right there, though.
I'll be
The
right.
donuts are good.
Yeah.
Put your phone in your pocket or set it on the ground up here first. 2 hands.
Did you just finish its restoration?
Yeah, well, it's not finished yet. Still a work in progress.
Oh yeah. How long did this take to build?
About 3 years.
Oh, wow.
So, can you see in there? You see where the flame is coming? Take a step onto here. Look in the top hole.
I wasn't looking very well.
Well, we were up there. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Wow. So this is the Santa Cruz one, right? What happened to the other Santa Cruz one? Like the other screws? The green one? Oh. You guys decided to bring this one up?
Yeah, this is actually privately owned by Stockton Capital.
Oh.
That's okay.
Wow. Nice. So you guys restored this in Independence, California?
We did.
Nice.
Can we ring the bell or no?
No, two guys are up there working right now.
Okay.
Oh, there's people up there working?
Yeah.
Oh. Look at that.
Dennis, you should go get me the thing at the same time.
Oh, I did.
I did.
Yep.
Did you get the shovel wood?
No. Oh, does this control the fuel?
Yes. This is fuel line to the boiler.
Oh.
This is pretty cool.
I'm gonna hang out with you guys.
And you enjoying your lunch?
Yeah.
It's a lot different from the wood burner.
Not too hard. That's good.
Wow.
Hi there. How are you?
Good.
Good. Where are you guys from?
I'm from San Jose.
Los Angeles.
Oh, there you go.
Harder.
Harder.
There you go. Yeah, that's what we burn in here. Just have a little fire going now.
Oh, yeah. Take a look at that.
We were recording it, this thing running yesterday.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I recorded it the whole time.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
I've been in this one before, but that was like last year when I was just sitting up here.
Okay. Oh, yeah. The brake beam cracked last year.
I've never been in this.
Can we throw a pile of wood in there? Like one wood?
Not right now.
Get really small ones.
Alright, a really small one. Like this one?
Perfect.
I'm not gonna throw it in. I'm gonna record them.
Okay. Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for this.